Stop walking toward the back of the store. You think you're hunting for bargains, but you're actually walking into a carefully calibrated trap designed by people like me. I spent years mapping out retail floor plans to ensure your quick trip ends with a $400 bill and a freezer full of regrets. The frozen aisle at Costco isn't a convenience zone. It's a high-margin slaughterhouse for your budget. We call it the icebox illusion. By the time you reach the heavy glass doors, your brain is already fatigued from the half-mile trek through the warehouse. You're primed to make impulsive, calorie-dense decisions. 1. The sodium bomb stir-fry kits. Flip the box. Look at the nutritional grid, not the organic font on the front. These pre-packaged stir-fry kits are a masterclass in weight padding. You pay for 5 pounds of food, but 2 pounds of that is a frozen block of sauce, loaded with enough sodium to preserve a mummy. Retailers love these because the perceived value is high. You see a massive bag for $14. In reality, you're buying cheap frozen broccoli stems and sugar water masquerading as teriyaki. Stop buying water at food prices. Buy the bulk bag of plain vegetables and make your own sauce. You'll save $6 per bag and your blood pressure won't spike by Tuesday. 2. The breaded chicken shell game. The frozen chicken section is where the real heist happens. Check the label for the phrase, contains up to 15% solution. This is industry speak, for we injected this bird with salt water to make it heavier. When you buy the massive bags of breaded nuggets or tempura strips, you're paying the poultry price for cheap flour and air. The breading to meat ratio in bulk frozen goods is often 40-60. You are essentially eating fried air. Check the bottom shelf for the unbreaded flash-frozen breasts. They look less fun, but they don't use 15% of your money to sell you tap water. 3. The pizza, pantry filler, trap. The multi-pack frozen pizzas are the ultimate warehouse distraction. They price them at a point that feels like a steal, usually around $3 per pizza. But look at the ingredient list. They use cheese food or analog cheese instead of real mozzarella to keep the cost down. Furthermore, the boxes are designed to take up maximum space in your cart. This is a psychological tactic called cart crowding. Once your cart looks full, you feel productive, which triggers a dopamine hit that makes you more likely to throw in a reward item, like an expensive steak, later. Don't fall for the red tag. Those pizzas are filler for your stomach and your cart, providing zero nutritional value. 4. The smoothie blend. Markup Costco sells massive bags of antioxidant blends. The packaging uses bright purples and greens to trigger your health brain. But here is the secret. They often use the lowest grade fruit, the bruised, misshapen stuff that couldn't sell in the produce section, and bury it in a blend. You are paying a premium for someone to mix cheap frozen grapes and apples with a few blueberries. Rip the veil off this scam. Buy the single fruit bags. Buy 1 bag of strawberries and 1 bag of spinach. Mix them yourself. You get higher quality fruit and avoid the blend tax that adds 20% to the price tag. 5. The frozen breakfast sandwich scam. These are the kings of the convenience tax. If you deconstruct a frozen breakfast croissant, you're looking at about $0.40 worth of ingredients sold to you for $1.50 per unit. The breading becomes soggy because it's designed for a shelf life of 2 years, not for taste. They use liquid egg product that is pumped with emulsifiers to keep it from rubberizing in the microwave. Command your kitchen. Spend 20 minutes on Sunday making 10 sandwiches and freezing them. You'll save $50 a month and stop eating edible plastic. 6. The party size lasagna pitfall. The weight of these trays is impressive, which is exactly why they sell. But examine the meat to pasta ratio. To keep the price low on a 5-pound tray, manufacturers load it with filler noodles and heavy bechamel sauce. Meat is expensive, flour and water are cheap. The warehouse puts these at eye level because they know the heavy box, the good deal logic, is hardwired into your lizard brain. Ignore the weight. Look at the protein count per serving. If it's under 15 grams for a massive slice, you're just buying a tray of wet noodles. The 2. Actually Safe buys wild-caught Alaskan salmon, individual vac pack. This is one of the few items where the warehouse loses. The flash freezing process happens on the boat, preserving the omega-3s better than the fresh fish that's been sitting on ice for 4 days. The price per pound is often lower than the wholesale market rate because Costco uses it as a prestige loss leader to keep you coming back. Frozen organic blueberries. Unlike the blends, the straight organic blueberries are a genuine steal. Berries are the most pesticide-heavy crops in the world. Buying them frozen in bulk allows you to get organic quality at conventional prices. They don't need stabilizers or solutions. It's just the fruit. Check the trash. Go to your freezer right now. Look at the best buy dates on those bulk bags. If you have bags that are more than 3 months old, you didn't save money. You gave the warehouse an interest-free loan. Check your last receipt. Calculate how much of that weight was source or solution. Stop being a victim of the floor plan.